Remove the screws and remove the top cover of the machine. Remove the screws and remove the middle body of the machine. Remove the screws on both sides of the center body as shown in the picture. Remove the laser module. Middle body bottom up. Remove the 4 screws at the bottom of the middle body as shown in the picture. Remove the front bezel. Be careful not to pull too hard to avoid ripping the wiring harness. Unplug the Y-axis FPC cable and Y-axis motor cable. Remove the screws. Take away the top. Unplug the power switch cable. Remove single head hexagonal post. Remove the motherboard. Unplug the Wi-Fi antenna. New motherboard. Plug the Wi-Fi antenna into the motherboard. Align the holes and insert the motherboard. Note: semiconductor field effect tubes require vertical. Insert the power switch cable. Use a single hexagonal post to secure the motherboard. Install the top cover and secure with screws. Install front baffle. Note bottom of middle body up. Installation of Y-axis FPC cable and Y-axis motor cable. Attach the front bezel to the corresponding position. Install the bottom 4 screws. Middle body front placement. Install the screws on both sides to secure the front bezel. Check if the Y-axis motor wires are plugged in properly. Attach the center body to the base and secure with hand screws. Installation of top cover components and securing with hand screws. Installation of laser modules. Plug in the power cord and USB cable. Long press the power button to turn on the machine to run normally.